How to copy a plan with its resources and activities to another course. Open the course you want to copy the plan from. Click on Plans in the white course menu bar. Select the lesson plans you want to copy by clicking on the box next to the plan. The plans will highlight green. From the Action drop-down menu, select Copy. The Copy pop-up window appears. From the drop-down menu, select the course you want to copy the plans into. Check Clear Dates. And because we want to copy all the connected resources and activities with these plans, check the Copy Connected Resources and Activities option as well. To check to see if the plans are being copied, go up to the courses in the gray menu bar. Select the course you are copying plans into. If you see the spinning arrows next to the course name, the plans are still being copied. To see the plans after they've been copied, click on Plans.